Welcome to Hello English Teacher. Today let's look at the formal and informal invitations from section B of class 12. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. You can listen to the explanations of chapters from classes 10, 11 and 12 English. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Let's move on to the video now. So now let's look at the formal invitations. So formal invitations are two types. One is the card format and the other one is the letter format. Now the card format is used to invite the general public or people in large, and the letter format is used to invite a particular person for a particular purpose. So let's look at the examples. So here is the first example of the card format. You are a student of Alvin Public School, Nainital. The school is holding its annual function on Saturday, the 25th May 2022 at 11 am. The district collector, Mr. Srinivasan, has consented to be the chief guest. Design an invitation card to be sent to the parents and other invitees. So do not exceed 50 words. So this is a card format, and let's look at how to design this invitation. So you can see the card format. So first there is a box. You have to draw the box to represent a card, and the content is inside and it is centrally aligned. So you have to start off, since it's an annual function of the school, you start off like the principal, staff and students of Alvin Public School, Nainital. You can see that the name of the school is highlighted. Solicit the presence of your pleasure of your company. So solicit the pleasure of your company. So that phrase is used in formal invitations on cards. There are many other variations. You can use any one of them on the occasion of the annual day function. So the function is also highlighted of their school at 11 am on 25th May 2022. So Mr. Srinivasan, the district collector, has consented to be the chief guest. So you can see how it is written. It looks like a single sentence. It's in the third person, and you can see that the name of the school is highlighted, the function is highlighted. If the chief guest is there, that name is also highlighted. And in the left hand side corner, you can see something like RSVP, Principal Alvin Public School, and the phone number. So RSVP is actually a French phrase which means please respond. So they have given the number of the principal so that you can respond to this invitation telling whether you will be available or not. So that's the only purpose of writing that. So this is the format how you have to make for a card format, an invitation to invite the general public. And one more thing you must remember is there is no need to use colors and other highlights. All you have to use this is the capital letters to highlight the important parts. Don't make it like colorful and all that, because it's not recommended. So you can make it simple, and you can differentiate the fonts with capital letters and normal letters. Now let's look at one more example. So draft an invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Kumar Gupta of 43 Vasant Vihar, Varanasi, which they may use to invite their friends and relatives on the 7th birth anniversary of their daughter Karuna at their residence on 5th June. So this is the question, and let's look at how to design this invitation card. So again, the format is you have to draw the box and write the content within the box, and it should be all centrally aligned. So Mr. and Mrs. Kumar Gupta, that is the name of the parents, request the pleasure of your benign presence on the occasion of 7th birth anniversary of their daughter Karuna at their residence 43 Vasant Vihar, Varanasi at 5 pm on 5th June. So it is very simple. So you can see how the sentence is structured, how the important points like the birth anniversary, the function, the name of the child and the date which are highlighted. So here also you have this RSVP, which means please respond, and name of the parents are given and the phone number. So this is how you will design a simple invitation card for a birthday party. So the same format can be used for any other function like housewarming ceremony or inauguration of a shop or something. So only the details will have to be changed. Now let's look at the second type, that is the letter format of a formal letter. Now when do we write this letter format? In case you have to invite an eminent personality to be a judge or a chief guest or for some important function, if you want to invite one person, single person, you are going to write a letter format and it will be the formal letter format. So let's look at one example. So here is a question. You are Subodh Jain, the head boy of Angels Public School, Varanasi. Your school is holding an inter-school football championship on 30th May to 15th June 2022. Write a formal invitation to Mr. Baichung Bhutia, the legendary footballer, to inaugurate the championship on 30th May 2022 at 10 a.m. at your school grounds. So you are going to invite one single person who is going to inaugurate the function. So you cannot give him a card, you have to write a formal letter. So let's look at how to write this letter. So here is the format. So you begin with writing the address of the school, that is the sender's address, then the date, and followed by the receiver's address. Here it is Mr. Baichung Bhutia, 46 North Wing, Sikkim. The address will be given mostly. If it's not given, you may have to invent the details. So the subject here is inauguration of football championship, and then the salutation, sir. So after that we begin writing the body of the letter. Angels Public School is organizing an inter-school football championship from 30th May to 15th June in the school grounds. More than 12 schools are participating in the championship. So we request you to be present on this occasion to inaugurate the championship at 10 a.m. and inspire the visitors on 30th May 2022 in the school grounds. Kindly confirm your presence on the day so that we can proceed further. So you are telling him the details, when it is going to happen, what time, where, what he has to do. So all that is mentioned very clearly. So awaiting your response. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Subodh Jain, head boy. So this is the way you have to write a letter format formal invitation. Now let's look at an informal invitation. So an informal invitation itself tells you what kind of format you have to use. You have to use the informal letter format and you can be very casual. You can use the first and second person. So let's look at the question. You are celebrating your 12th birthday party on 25th May. Invite your friend Megha for the party. You are Sumita. Invent all other necessary details. So here is the invitation, informal invitation. So you can see that the format is also informal. So first you will write just the place for the sender's address, then you will write the date, then you are going to write Dear Megha. So there is no subject and there is no receiver's address because this is an informal letter. So you are writing in a very casual manner. I am glad to let you know that I am turning 12 on 25th May 2022. So I have organized a get together at my residence at 6:30 p.m. for family and friends. I want you to be there with your family so that we can have some fun time. Do let me know if you can make it. Hoping to see you soon. Yours sincerely, Megha. So this is how you will write an informal invitation. Hope you like this video. So tomorrow we shall see how to write the replies for formal and informal invitations. So for more informative videos, do watch and subscribe to Hello English Teacher. Thank you for watching.